Kevin here with myatvs.com. Today I'm going to show you all the Cruzin cooler series. They come in a couple different models. It's an electric cooler that you drive around on. They come in a 300 watt, a 500 watt, a 750, and a 1000 watt. I'm showing you all this one today. It's a little bit dirty. I apologize. This is my personal one that I use. I purchased it. It stays with me at my house. We take it to a lot of games and stuff. Have a good time with it. So that's the reason it's a little bit dirty, and I apologize for that. I'm showing you the 500 watt right now, and all of our videos for each one of the Cruzin coolers is going to be the same because I really didn't see a need to go over all the features on every watt size they had. The coolers are identical. The only difference is the motor in the back, and I'll talk to you about what the differences are. You got the 300 watt is great if you're just going to buy a single trailer and you're one person weighing, maybe 150 to 180 pounds. I weigh 210 pounds, so I decided to get the 500 watt. And I also bought a trailer to pull behind it, so I wanted to get a little bit more power with it. I have not personally driven the 750 watt or the 1000 watt, but I can only imagine how fast they go because this one's plenty fast enough for me. It'll hold myself, a friend, and 3 cases of beer, so it's all I need to carry myself with. If you want to come on in, Dave, I'll go ahead and show them. Now the cooler itself is the front half. It's got a little gauge here on the top. It just tells you how much power you have left. Right now it's on full power. As it starts getting low, this will be a little amber color and you know you need to charge it up. They say it goes about 20 miles on a charge. I go by time because there's no way I can tell how many miles I've gone, but I can ride this thing for a good 4 or 5 hours of steady riding without the batteries going down on it. Your throttle is right here. It's a little twist throttle as you have your hand on it. Just a little twist throttle that'll make you go. And then it has your brake here on the front. Underneath, now the seats are extra. I purchased seats for mine. You can get them on our website, but the seats are extra, or you can just set on the cooler if you want to. Under the cooler, your motor is right here in the back, and then your part for your drinks is up front here. I can tell you for a fact, the front here, if you bought just the front piece, it'll hold 24 Coors Light cans, and it'll hold an 8-pound bag of ice as well. When you're riding them, it's kind of neat. You don't even have to get up and lift the seat up. You can just lift this little lever up, reach down and get what you want. Put it right in your cup holder here. They have nice little foot pegs down below here. And when you're putting it in your car, you just push this little knob. Oops. And they'll slide in, and it does it on both sides. On the rear of them, these little things actually have a disc brake on them, which is kind of neat. So it's a little disc brake, and like I said, the brake is up on the front handle. Your on and off switch is right here. This is just a circuit breaker. If it trips, you can just push this button and reset it just like you would in your house. And then they come with the charger. You just plug your charger in here. It takes about 4 or 5 hours to fully charge them. The charger will shut off automatically once it's charged, so you don't have to worry about overcharging the battery. You can also purchase the Cruzin cooler wagon. All the front halves already come with a little hitch. When you purchase this wagon, what you'll get is this section right here. Again, the seats are extra, but all it is a little hitch that you hook onto the back of it. It still has the foot pegs for another rider. You can put your seat on it. It has the same cup holder where you don't need to lift the seat up to do it. And this one will hold 2 cases of beer or soda or whatever you want to put in it. They have little drain plugs in the bottom of them, just like a regular cooler. But I can't think of anything you can have more fun on than one of these Cruzin coolers at a game or if you're camping or whatever you're going to use it for. You'll have a blast on these things, and you'll get plenty of attention and plenty of questions on them. Like I said, we have them in 300 watt, 500 watt, 750, and 1000 watt. And it's really just a personal choice of how much you want to spend and how much power you need out of it. I'm going to zip this one around just a couple of times to show you what a 500 does. Now you do lean pretty good on these when you drive them. They will, so for me, it's got plenty of pep for it. It'll hold 2 people on it. I've had 3 cases of beer in these things. I've had 2 riders combined with about 430 pounds on it, and they get us around just fine. They don't do very well on grass surfaces, especially if it's wet outside, but like gravel parking lots, they're perfect for tailgating. They're just a blast to have. And that's the Cruzin cooler.